Hey drummers, how's it going? It's Alex once again, bringing you some more fun-free drumming ideas. For this week's lesson, we've got a 2-bar fill. It's all linear, so one note at a time. Starts off between the kick, snare and the hi-hat, and then we sort of venture around the kit for a nice little finish. Probably about intermediate level, and if you like what you saw in the intro and you want to give it a crack, stick around and I'll break it down. Here we go. Alright, so let's break down measure 1 first of all. It's all 16th notes. The sticking is going to be right, left, kick, right, left, kick, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick. I'll go through that slowly. So we've got right, left, kick, right, left, kick, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick. So it's made up of like 4 groups of 3 and a little group of 4 chucked in there. So we start off with a group of 3, both hands up on the hi-hat, right, left, kick, no ghost notes whatsoever, loud and proud with every note. So we've got tick, tick, kick, and then we're going to go hi-hat, snare drum, then 2 kicks. Then after that it's right, left, kick, and then bring your hands down to the snare, right, left, kick, back up to the hi-hat, right, left, kick. Now if you like these kind of fills, I've done an ebook sort of a couple of years ago which sort of covers a whole bunch of ideas using these kinds of sticking patterns, like 16th note ideas where you can chuck it between the kick, snare and the hi-hat or around the kit. So there'll be some links below down for that. So one more time. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and And you can use that as a 1 measure fill if you wanted to. That would sound a bit like this. And that sounds pretty sick. So moving on to measure 2, we're going to sort of move around the drum kit a tiny bit here, sticking with that like right left kick or right left kick kick, and we've got some septuplets at the end. So we're just going to go right left kick 4 times, going snare, snare, kick, high tom, kick, floor tom, kick, split the floor and snare. So that's right, left and a kick, and then we're going to finish off with 16th note triplets going around for beat 4. So measure 2, 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 and crash. Okay, so a nice speedy ending to our drum fill. If we put it all together. Simple as that. I'm going to try and stick this in next band practice, see if I get the look. You know the look, where the bass player's sort of like, and you just sort of sink back into your chair like, okay. So we'll see if that happens. Okay, right, let's chuck it in some groove. Pretty sweet, pretty simple. Like I said, intermediate level. Let's pop up there and smash it out at a couple of different tempos. Here we go. Nice and slow. Bit faster. drummers, so there it is. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget you can pop over to onlinedrummer.com and grab the sheet music completely for free. While you're over there, you can check out the ebooks where I get some of these ideas. We explore them a bit further and come up with some nice orchestrations for all these different sticking patterns in this sort of vein. There's also a quick start guide for you beginners. There's links to my Patreon page down below if you want to come and support the channel. And if you check down there a little bit lower, you'll find some links to Facebook and Twitter if you want to come and say hello. So until next time, take care, keep drumming, and I'll see you next Thursday for some more fun-free drumming ideas. All right, see you later.